Guys, I'm going to give a quick demo of one of the really interesting components of our platform. This is the blockchain off-ramp from the cryptocurrency into our social impact partners. It starts with the person playing the game and having fun. They get some accomplishments. We reward them with the positive reinforcement and the dopamine hit of them winning coins. This is what's replacing that sports betting impulse. They take those coins then and they go into their wallet. When they're ready, they can choose to cash out. Here we can see their balance is 105,993 stable coins. They pick the impact partner where they want to invest that. Today we're going to do health insurance through NHIF, the government health thing. They fill in their details. Now, this is in the demo. This will be pre-recorded in their profiles in the final version. But here they fill in their details, what account they want it to go to, and the amount of coins that they want to spend. In this case, we're going to do 100 coins. We confirm the amount is correct, the place is correct, where we're going to send them, and we say go. At that point, we trigger our API, we do the off ramp from the cryptocurrency into the fiat, transfer the shillings, Kenya shillings, through m-pesa to NHIF. Now we can go back into the NHIF app, back on Android, check his actual account, and we should see a transaction for, let's see, there it is. 100 shillings deposited into his health insurance, adding to his amount of financial resilience in the future should he have any injuries. So that's it. This is the open source component for doing off ramp of cryptocurrencies into shillings for our social impact partners, a core component of our blockchain gaming for good platform. All right. Thanks so much.